this video tutorial, we'll go through exactly what the SEO Engine interface is. We'll show you how to navigate between screen to screen and uncover and fix all of the problems inside of your website. Many of you have already seen the SEO Engine interface, or at least one of the screens inside the interface. The screen that we're currently on, which is called a web page score sheet screen, actually exists for every page on the internet. But when you get a free analysis inside the SEO Engine, for instance, if you type in VeniceChamber.com and click Analyze, you'll be taken to the screen called a web page score sheet screen for the home page of that website. If you've received a free website analysis from the SEO Engine and you've received that crawl notice in your email, a link on that crawl notice takes you to what's called the web page score sheet screen, which is what you're looking at right here. So this screen actually will show you just the data for one specific page, namely the home page of your website. So the first thing to understand is the free analysis doesn't tell you website level data. It's only going to tell you data for your home page of your website. So things like the SEO Engine score, the market focus, the to-do list, all the link data, and all the content data, all this data is actually just for the home page of your website. One of the common misconceptions inside the SEO Engine interface is the SEO Engine score. Now this score actually is not, again, a website level score. So a lot of times people will see this and actually think that this is the score for their entire website, and that can be further from the truth. Every page has its own score, and the score actually is an efficiency ranking. It's not actually an indicator of whether it ranks really well or not for a specific set of phrases. We have some excellent tutorials on the web page scorecard screen and the SEO Engine score explaining exactly what this means and how it's calculated. I highly suggest that you view these video tutorials to learn more about those screens. The power of the SEO Engine is not really the static report that you're looking at right here. Rather, it's the dynamic nature of the SEO Engine interface that allows you to navigate throughout your website through the eyes of a search engine. And the reason why this is able to be achieved is that the SEO Engine interface actually has a series of screens inside of it that allows you to navigate throughout the website, viewing different angles of the data that you are trying to uncover and fix. For instance, there's a page on how the SEO Engine score is calculated. All of these screens actually are uncovered through the purchase of an SEO pass. So typically, if you're an internet marketing agency and you land a client, you're going to go ahead and purchase an SEO pass to do the implementation on that client's website. If you're an owner of a website or an in-house SEO, you want to go ahead and purchase that SEO pass that gives you access to all these screens inside the SEO Engine interface that will actually allow you to have access to uncover and identify the various issues inside of your website. When you have an SEO pass, you can, for instance, go into the SEO Engine score for each page and see exactly how that score was calculated. Or go into the market focus and actually see the market focus details screen, which shows you how the basket of market focuses was actually calculated. Or for instance, what if you saw something on the to-do list, let's say the exact duplicate content right here, and you wanted to see exactly what that was and what page it was duplicating? You could simply click on that if you had an SEO pass, and it would take you to that exact page. Let's go ahead and do that right now so you can see an example of that. So this is a page listing with the document here and the document that it was duplicating. So you can see immediately what the problem is and fix it. An SEO pass also allows you to navigate all of the link data. So if we click on the links tab and come down here and view some of the link data, you can see that there's a number of various links that allow you to investigate different types of data. Whenever you see the camera icon, this will always show you a graphical representation. It'll take you to the snapshot view where it'll actually show you the link data that's highlighted for that specific set of links. So for instance, if you wanted to see a graphical representation of all the outgoing links on the page, you could simply click on this camera icon and you'll see a snapshot with all the outgoing links highlighted on the snapshot view. In contrast, if you wanted to see a list view, you can simply click on the document link here, and this will take you to a screen called the link listing screen. Well, it will show you all of, in this case, all of the outgoing links on this page. You'll always see the most important link first and the least important link last. All of these are filterable by a number of different signals. If you have an SEO pass to the website, you can also view the 10,000 foot level or the website dashboard. If you simply click on the website dashboard link up here in the breadcrumb trail, you'll be taken to view all the data from a subdomain level instead of the web page level. This screen will show you the entire subdomain statistics for this website. So all of the link data, all of the content data, all of this data will actually be aggregate data across the entire site. The SEO Engine score, for instance, is actually just an average of all the SEO Engine scores for every page inside the site. It essentially tells you how efficiently this entire website is being designed. With a score of 52%, as it is here, this basically says that only half of the ranking potential for the entire site as a whole is being utilized. Therefore, if you were to improve every SEO Engine score inside the site for every page, you could actually double the amount of ranking power that the site has on search engine organic results. With an SEO Pass, you can also click on the Report Center tab and always view all of the static reports that are getting generated every time the SEO Engine goes out and recrawls and rescores the website. For instance, there's an alert report that generates every single alert inside of the website with a link next to each alert, so that you can click on any alert and it'll take you to the specific screen inside the SEO Engine interface that shows you the problem that it's talking about, so that you can quickly identify and fix that specific error. So as you can see, the SEO Engine interface really isn't a static report. It's a dynamic report, or an interface on top of a search engine that allows you to actually navigate through the search engine and view whatever part of the website that you want to look at. You can literally navigate the entire internet through the eyes of a search engine with the SEO Engine interface.